We moved to Asheville in 1989 and fell in love with this old house.
There was a little gravel path, and when you look through the hedge and the house was here, it said, "Come sit on my porch." It wanted somebody to be here.
The people have been wanting to buy this house for 25 years. We were the only single family that wanted to put an offer in.
Yeah.
So Miss Holmes chose our offer.
So she took a discount to get a family to live in this house. Built in 1883, it has 4,183 square feet. You know, it's framed in chestnut, sided in black cypress, which is naturally, element resistant. And so Miss Holmes learned that from a fella in the 50s. He said, "You don't need to paint that house, ma'am. It's black cypress." So she didn't. The house hadn't been painted since 1950 when we bought it.
Everything was still intact.
Yeah.
There were no mantles missing, no doorknobs missing, no,
Bathrooms added.
Nothing was, it was like you had stepped back in time. We felt like we owed the family, we owed the home a restoration.
All the clear wood we restored by hand, including the front door there. The floors, the banister, the picture moldings, the chair rails, we did all that ourselves. Everything that's painted was originally painted, woodwork in the house. And the gray woodwork, mostly upstairs, that paint is original, 140-year-old paint.
Unusual too is the hallways are very large.
Oh, yeah.
They're actually kind of rooms in themselves. Most of the plaster has been restored. We've kept plaster walls. We didn't put any sheetrock or anything except for the north kitchen wall.
The kitchen wall, yeah.
Had to be replaced because we took the chimney out that wasn't ever used. Left the brick hearth, which we love.
The work we did on the downstairs bathroom is probably the most historically significant because it was indoor plumbing that predated the Biltmore house. Zinc-plated copper tub, original. We put in the same type of highboy tank that Miss Holmes told us was there.
Well, Miss Holmes gave us a lot of her original documents. One was the original handwritten deed.
We're from the Midwest, and we take flat land as a given. Of course, your house has a yard you can stand up in. So that was super important for us to have a place where, you can play and, have the kids outside.
It's unusual to have a flat lot this close to town for entertaining this close to town in Asheville. It's very rare.
Oh, we loved this house.
Yeah.
And that love produced a family that grew up here. And now it's time for somebody else to come and do the same.
It's time to share it. Time to share it with some other family.
We don't own this house as much as we are preparing it for the next 100 years.